Are you tired of the cold, harsh winters and dreaming of a warm, sunny escape? Well, we've got some good news for you. In this video, we'll reveal the best warm countries to live in the world, all of which are conveniently located in Europe. Welcome to Wealthy Life, where we help you find the best countries to live and invest in the world. Choosing one of the warm countries in Europe for your next move offers many benefits. Europe is known for its rich history and diverse culture, making it an exciting and unique place to live. If you're looking for a warm country with a high standard of living and a unique cultural experience, Europe is the perfect choice for you. If you're planning on making the move from the US to Europe, make sure to stick around until the end. We'll provide you with essential information on what you need to consider to ensure a smooth transition and to be fully prepared for your new adventure. Now let's explore the best countries to live in the world with pleasant weather in winter. Spain. Spain is one of the best countries to live in the world, and for good reason. The country boasts a Mediterranean climate, with mild winters and hot summers. The average temperature in winter ranges from 13 to 18 degrees Celsius, while in summer it can reach up to 30 degrees Celsius. Additionally, Spain enjoys around 300 sunny days per year. Is also a popular destination for expats due to its pleasant weather, stunning landscapes, and diverse culture. The country is home to many vibrant cities such as Madrid, Barcelona, and Valencia, each with its unique charm and personality. Additionally, Spain has an excellent healthcare system, and the cost of living is relatively affordable, making it an ideal destination for retirees, families, and professionals. Portugal. Portugal is also one of the warm countries in Europe that offers pleasant weather year-round. With its mild winters and hot summers, the average temperature in winter ranges from 10 to 16 degrees Celsius, while in summer it can reach up to 28 degrees Celsius. Portugal also enjoys around 300 sunny days per year, making it a popular destination for tourists and expats alike. Portugal is a country with friendly people and a laid-back lifestyle. It's known for its beautiful beaches, picturesque villages, and world-class golf courses. The cost of living in Portugal is relatively low, and the country has a high standard of living, making it a popular choice for expats looking to retire or start a new life abroad. From the historic capital city of Lisbon to the charming coastal towns of the Algarve, Portugal has a lot to offer. Greece. Greece is one of the best countries to live in the world with its beautiful beaches, stunning islands, and ancient ruins. The country also enjoys a mild Mediterranean climate, with mild winters and hot summers offering pleasant weather. The average temperature in winter ranges from 10 to 15 degrees Celsius, while in summer it can reach up to 32 degrees Celsius. Greece also enjoys around 300 sunny days per year, making it an ideal destination for those who love the sun. Known for its beautiful islands, white sandy beaches, and crystal clear waters. Greece is also a food lover's paradise, with its delicious Mediterranean cuisine and fresh seafood. Additionally, Greece has an excellent healthcare system and a high standard of living. The cost of living in Greece is relatively low compared to other European countries, making it an attractive destination for expats. From the historic city of Athens to the picturesque island of Santorini, Greece is a truly magical destination. Earlier in the video we said we'll provide you with essential information on what you need to consider to ensure a smooth transition from the US to Europe. Moving can be an exciting adventure, but it also comes with some challenges. Here are some things to consider. Visa requirements. Depending on the country you're moving to, you may need a visa or work permit. Research the visa requirements of your desired country and make sure you have all the necessary paperwork and documentation. Cost of living. The cost of living in Europe can vary significantly depending on the country and region. Make sure you research the cost of housing, transportation, and daily expenses to ensure you have a clear understanding of what your budget will be. Language barriers. While many Europeans speak English, it's still essential to learn the local language to fully integrate into the culture and make daily life more comfortable. Healthcare. Healthcare systems in Europe can be quite different from the US. Research the healthcare system in your desired country and make sure you understand how to access care and whether you need additional insurance. Cultural differences. Europe is a diverse continent, and cultural differences can vary greatly from country to country. Research the cultural norms and customs of your desired country to ensure you have a smooth transition and avoid any cultural misunderstandings. Now, if you're wondering if Europe is the only option for escaping winter, it's not. We've got you covered with another video that explores the best warm countries to live in the world that are not in Europe. I'll see you there.